have you ever thought about turning your knowledge into income by selling online courses? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Welcome to our channel. We teach you how to use AI tools to create, edit, and monetize videos. One of the fastest ways to make your course stand out is through professional video content. And thanks to AI editing tools, creating and monetizing course videos is easier than ever. Here's how it works. AI tools like Pictory.ai allow you to edit videos quickly without needing advanced editing skills. You can record your lessons using a simple camera or even your laptop, then upload them into Pictory. The AI automatically adds captions, selects visuals, and organizes your content into polished lessons. Now let's talk about monetization. When your videos look professional, students are more likely to trust your course and pay for it. You can host your content on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, or even create your own membership site. The better your videos look, the higher the value you can charge. AI also helps you scale faster. Instead of spending hours editing, you can create multiple lessons in a fraction of the time. This means you can build full courses in weeks instead of months, allowing you to launch quicker and start earning sooner. Another benefit: engagement. AI captions make your lessons more accessible. Branded visuals and music make them more professional. And short highlight videos can be repurposed into marketing clips for YouTube or social media, bringing more students into your course. The key is consistency. The more high-quality lessons you publish, the more trust you build, and the more income you generate. AI video editing ensures you keep that professional look without burning out. So, if you're ready to monetize your knowledge, start using AI-edited videos to build online courses that students love and pay for. It's faster, smarter, and one of the most powerful ways to turn your skills into income. Want step-by-step guidance on creating pro videos fast? Enroll now in Transform Academy's Pictory.ai course today on our website by clicking the link in the description box. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing content.